Hi, it's Teresa Croft, co-founder of DTC Online Marketplace. For the past 3 years, we've enjoyed helping our clients use the internet to solve problems and find solutions. Today, we're on location discussing hiring a house painter. We'll discuss with expert Dave 7 horrible mistakes people make when hiring a house painter and how you can avoid them.
One of the major mistakes in hiring a house painter is not discussing the specifics of workmanship, such as the schedule of how things are actually done. What are you going to paint first in my house? If you know the scheduling in advance and what should be done first, you won't allow a painter to make these horrific mistakes that could be very costly and add up as extras on your bill. Knowing specifics on painting could help you determine a proper painter to hire and to bring into your home so that you're ensured that you have quality workmanship that's performed and on a timely basis.
So if you found this inside information useful from Expert Dave, you can pick up our free guide, 7 horrible mistakes people make when hiring a house painter and how you can avoid them. Just submit your name and we'll make sure the free guide is in your hands. Go to CummingHousePainter.com. I'm Teresa Croft. I'll see you in the next video.